friends, thanks for joining me. Today, I wanted to take some time to go over how we use Google Meet because some of us have been having trouble using our Google Meet, especially with our microphones. So let's practice using Google Meet. All right, when you start your Google Meet, it's going to look like this. I haven't joined yet, but I can check if my microphone is on or off. Can anyone find the microphone? Right, it's right here. You can see my microphone is off because it's red. Now my microphone is on. That means people can hear me. Look, these green dots moving show that my voice is being heard by everyone in the Meet. Now it's off. The green dots are gone. All right, I'm going to join the Meet now. All right, I've joined my Meet, and I can see that there's already another one of me in here, but I can't see myself. So I want to make sure my grid view is on. So we're going to look up here to find our grid view. Let's make sure our grid view is on. All right, now I can see everyone who's in the Meet. If you don't have this up here, you're going to look down here at more options, change layout, and you're going to choose the tiled layout, okay? If you don't have this grid view. All right. Uh-oh, my mute disappeared. How am I going to turn on my microphone, turn it on and off? Well, I can move my mouse. My mouse is this thing right here. There's my mouse. If I move my mouse, look, there it is. There's my microphone, okay? So I can turn my microphone on. Now here are my green dots. Everyone can hear me now. And off. My microphone is off. On, off. Okay? If I move it away, it might disappear. All I have to do is move my mouse again. You guys can touch your screen. You can touch your screen like this. See how I'm touching my screen? For you guys, that will bring your microphone back up. Okay? Off, off, on, off, on. You can do that with the camera too. Off, on, off, on. We're going to be using that every day. So when I say microphones off, unmute, okay? Mute, unmute. Okay. All right, friends. Thanks for learning about Google Meets with me. I'll see you later.